This video will show you how to safely cancel your Base44 subscription. Follow these steps to stop recurring charges and keep control of your account. The process should only take 1 to 2 minutes. First, prepare to cancel. Have your Base44 email and password ready. Check your billing date and note the refund or notice policy. Back up any important data or receipts and know which payment method is currently being charged. Next, sign in and find your subscription details. Open the Base44 website or mobile app and sign in. Go to your account or settings, usually found by tapping your profile icon. Then, select Billing, Subscription, Plans or Payments. To cancel your plan, click Manage Subscription or Change Plan. Choose Cancel Subscription or Turn off Auto Renew. Follow the prompts, select a reason, and confirm your choice. Remember to screenshot the confirmation page and save the cancellation ID as proof. After cancellation, verify that you received a confirmation email. Monitor your next billing statement to ensure no further charges occur. If eligible, request a refund within the policy window. If any issues arise, contact support with your saved screenshots.